Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at Aglaonema care tips, so thank you so much for joining. Aglaonemas are wonderful in their own right and they have actually been with us for quite some time. How do we care for these beauties? So first of all, we're going to talk about lighting. These plants, they can survive in any shaded space, whether it's indoors or outdoors once it's shaded. If placed in bright light, you would also yield wonderful results. But they don't do very well in direct sunlight. So please don't put these plants in direct sunlight because the leaves of these plants, they can get scorched. Sometimes you would find that the leaves of these plants, they curl under in order to protect itself from the sun. So be careful to choose a wonderful space for your loved Aglaonema. When it comes to watering, I'm usually inconsistent with watering and fertilizing my Aglaonemas, which may actually be helpful to these plants because they actually prefer to dry out in between watering. So I guess the pro might be for watering. Now, I've recognized that there are different care tips for each Aglaonema, but I tend to treat all of them the same. If you experience brown tips, this can be because of two things. You are either overwatering or it could mean that you are either underwatering. It's a good thing to pay attention to your routine so you would know if you're overwatering, you're either watering this plant every day or it could be twice a day and the soil is becoming very soggy and it's too moist. And if you are underwatering, the plant has been dry for either a few weeks or maybe a month going into 2 months and the leaves are now starting to dry up. So once you pay attention to what your routine is like, it will be able to help you to understand if it is you're overwatering or if you are underwatering this plant. If your leaves are scorched, then you know it's because of the sun. If it's brown, then you know it's probably because of the bright light. These plants are poisonous due to the calcium oxalate crystals that are produced, but you should be fine once you don't allow the sap to get in contact with your skin, or I don't think any of us are going to ingest these plants. So once you don't do any of these things, you should be fine, and your pets too. So I hope that you enjoy my care tips. If you have any care tips of your own, you can let me know, and see you next time. Bye!